16 warning signs of cancer you shouldn't ignore. Our bodies undergo constant changes. However, being aware of any unexplained changes which happen to our body is essential and can be life-saving. You should pay close attention so you can notice when something's different is happening to your body. Some minor illnesses and more severe ones tend to show symptoms. If you learn to recognize these signs, you will be able to diagnose and treat the various conditions, including cancer, on time. Please subscribe and click the bell for more health tips and videos. 1. Unexplained weight loss. This is the first evident sign that you are dealing with cancer, especially breast and lung cancer. The unexplained weight loss occurs when cancer attacks and hinders the function of the liver. Moreover, it can be one of the first signs to indicate colon or other digestive cancers. 2. Chronic heartburn. If you experience a chronic heartburn, it may mean that you have Barrett's esophagus or esophageal cancer. 3. Bowel issues. Any sudden change in the bowel habits that lasts for more than a month is a clear sign of bowel cancer. 4. Difficulty swallowing. If you experience trouble swallowing, pain or a burning sensation when swallowing food, it may indicate esophageal, lung or throat cancer. 5. Frequent fevers or infections. In case you struggle with a persistent or prolonged fever, it may mean that you have a cancerous condition, such as lymphoma. 6. Unexplained fatigue. Unexplained and constant weakness and fatigue can be a symptom of various cancers. 7. Shortness of breath. If you experience constant shortness of breath and wheezing, it may indicate lung cancer as it presses against and narrows an airway. 8. Chronic cough. A persistent and irritating cough accompanied by chest pain is a clear symptom of leukemia and lung tumors. 9. Bloating. Sudden and unexplained abdominal bloating may be a sign of ovarian cancer, especially when accompanied by pelvic pain and feeling full. 10. Jaundice. One of the most evident signs of liver or gallbladder disease is jaundice or yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes. 11. Unusual swelling or lumps in the body. Any unusual lumps on the breasts, testicles, groin, neck, abdomen, or underarms, which last for a longer time may indicate cancer. 12. Changes in moles. Moles are usually harmless, but when they start to change and cause pain, it may indicate cancer. 13. Changes in nails. The nails may also show that something is happening with your body. Hence, if you notice that your nails are changing, so that they become pale, clubbed, or have black or brown spots, it may be a clear sign of several types of cancers, such as skin, liver, or lung cancer. 14. Abdominal pain. Pelvic or lower abdominal pain, which doesn't go away, may show ovarian, breast, colon, rectum or uterine cancer. 15. Unexplained pain. Chronic and unexplained pain which lasts for about a month is usually connected with bone or testicular cancer. 16. Abnormal bleeding. If you experience blood in the urine or in the stools, it may mean that you have bladder, kidney, or bowel cancer. Moreover, bleeding between periods or after menopause is usually a sign of uterine cancer. If you suspect you have any of these symptoms, then please get it checked by your doctor. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends and family.